Alright, I'm out here at Sunshine Motocross today. It is Vintage Motocross Day today. There are some cool old bikes here. Really neat old CZ there. I can actually remember those things running back in the day. There's a little more modernish Mako, and there's an Elsinore, which is something I used to run back in the late 70s. Really dig that old CZ there. I just dig the look of these old things. Far back, dual shocks way far back on the swing arm. Kind of low in the back compared to the more modern ones, but that coffin tank just looked cool. Like a Mako. Cool bike. Here's another herd of old Makos. Just cool looking bikes, these things. That tank is just sweet. There's a little more modern, and there we go, there's the look. Cool looking bike. That would have been, that one right there with that swing arm half, that mount on the shock halfway up, that would have been toward late 70s right in there. And that monoshock comes on along a little later. But there you go, that's a classic Mako look. A couple of cool old Suzukis. These had a little swing arm work right there. That thing is sure clean. And look at this guy. Neato.